Hey guys, before we start this unboxing video, I'd like to say we are doing a giveaway. If you want to find out how to enter this giveaway, watch the video until the end. I'm back with another mystery box. And I'm on my own this time because Heather doesn't want to do it. But, got a knife this time. Just to make sure I get this clean. Look at this. Oh, look how clean that was. Beautiful. That's dangerous. So here we go, mystery box. I have no idea what's in there. Let's have a look. I'll chuck it out of the way. T-shirt. And it is... I can see Heather getting excited. Holy shit! That is amazing. I love it. Not as good as this t-shirt. Link below if you want to buy it, but that's fucking sick. That's really cool. Right. Star Wars shit. I've got a little tomb a little figurine. I think that's Breaking Bad. Got a Sherlock Holmes thing. Oh, that's pretty cool. Thumb wristbands that make Olaf. We've got a Ghostbuster figurine. That's really cool. We've got some Doctor Who battle things. I'll open them near the end. We've got a Sherlock Holmes pop figure. And, oh, I've got another one of these, second bag now. Yay! I love Marvel. Heather won't like that pen.
They gave me one pen!
Oh. So that's all my goodies I got. What have I got in these Battle in Time Vaders pack? Let's have a look. So, we've got Face of Bow, Slab, William Shakespeare, Lady Sank, don't know who that is, Time Lord number 1, Time Lord number 1! Oh, we've got Shiny, Mother Doomfinger, Pig Slave, Human Dalek. What's next? Last one. See, this is what happens when Heather's not in the video with me. So, we've got Queen Elizabeth. Don't want a double. Another fucking shiny. Scarecrow number 2. A Weeping Angel. Oh. Look at that kiss. No. Got fucking third William Shakespeare. Who gives a fuck? Martha Jones. And a puppet. Great. Well, I've just made a mess. Favourite thing in this box has been this t-shirt. Thanks for watching. I've been Lamb. You've been amazing. Bye. So here we go. It's competition time. So all you have to do to win any of these goodies, you have to like, subscribe, and comment your item of your choosing. After 25 likes, I'll be doing a giveaway, and then after that, it'll be every 25 likes, another item will be given away. So here we go, here's the items you can have. There we go. So like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.